Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a picture and download your pictures so that you're ready to send them to your circ teachers. So what I'm going to do is when I go back into the world here, what I need to do is I need to add two things to my inventory. So I'm going to press, after I built my swimming pool. Actually, Mrs. Rowe built the swimming pool here. She's letting me use it. I'm going to press the letter E on the keyboard. It's going to bring up the full inventory. Some of you may just be looking at this inventory. If you click on this second button in, and then there's a search magnifying glass. What you're looking for, you're going to look for two different options. One is called a camera. So you just type in camera. You click once on the camera and put it on your bottom inventory row. And then I'm going to erase the word camera and I'm going to type in portfolio. And it brings up this little portfolio book. I'm going to click on that and put that also in my inventory. Once I have both of those items, I'm going to press the X here to close out. And now I'm armed with the camera in my possession in my arms. So what you want to do is you want to take at least 3 pictures of your creation. And so try to think of like the best angles you can create with your creation. And so in this case, I'm just going to maybe look back here and just take, and if you press the space bar 2 times, you can hover up in the air. Maybe try to get a good view of the whole swimming pool. And I'm going to, pressing the number 1 key on my keyboard, make sure I have the camera in my position. I'm going to right click. And it's going to take a picture of my swimming pool. And then I'm going to maybe fly around, and I'm going to try to think of a different angle here. Now I'm going to right click again, and maybe I'm going to be inside the swimming pool for the last one. I'm going to be swimming, I'll be swimming with my little agent buddy here, who I can't seem to get rid of. So I'll be inside the swimming pool here, maybe with my buddy, maybe I'm going to swim with my friends. So I'm going to take a picture of my little buddy. Alright, so now I took my 3 pictures, and you could certainly take more if you want. It depends on how detailed you want to show of your creation. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to press the number 2 button on the keyboard. It's going to bring up my portfolio. I'm going to right click again to bring up my portfolio, and you'll see the pictures that I've taken. And it looks like page 1, page 2, and page 3. So it looks like the first picture I take goes further down into the book. So if you want them in order, you have to think backwards. But on the bottom here it says caption. I can click on that caption right here and I can type something. So I'm going to put swimming with my friends over here in this caption. Jumping off a diving board. And then my last one, I'll maybe put a caption of maybe my grandma has a swimming pool and I'm going to put swimming at my grandma's house. Or you could put your favorite park that you'd like to go to, or maybe it's even in your own backyard. Once I have those 3 pictures saved, and again, you can do a lot more than 3 if you want, the last thing we need to do is click on this button right at the bottom. It says Export Portfolio. Click once on that button, and it's going to bring up where do you want to save your portfolio. And like I always tell my students, go to OneDrive Seneca Valley. Oh, if I can click today. OneDrive Seneca Valley. And my portfolio here names it with my name. And it's going to call My World. It's going to even put today's date. I would just keep it just like that. And then if you're going to add something else to it, what I would maybe do is I would put my home room at the beginning. So if I'm in room 201, I'll put 201. I'll keep my name on here just like that, and then I will click save. All right, and that's pretty much how you do. I can press the little X in the top corner, and I can continue creating, add more, and if I could take more pictures and have more fun with it. In the next video I create, I will show you how to upload your pictures so that your circ teachers can get access to them.